If your Apple Wallet is stuck on the previously added card's none screen, you can easily fix this glitch without losing your payment data. This frustrating issue happens when corrupt temporary files freeze your wallet's system credentials or when your account region desyncs. To fix this right now, open your device settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Select any stuck payment card and remove it before rebooting your phone. If that first step does not clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system permissions, which brings us to method 2. Navigate to General, tap Language and Region, and switch your location temporarily. Changing your region forces iOS to clear temporary card caches and refresh system validation protocols. Once reverted, check your wallet app again. For users still seeing a blank screen, the third method involves toggling off wallet sync inside your main account settings. Disabling and re-enabling Cloud Sync removes stuck server data while safely preserving your stored cards. Finally, signing out of your account completely and logging back in performs a full security reauthentication, forcing the Apple Wallet application to load your payment profiles correctly once again.